So at a recent visit to Lowe's, I happened to find these, they had a display, a demo display of these Kobalt Xtractor hex bit socket sets. It's a 14 piece. You get 7 metric and then you get 7 regular. The metric are in the blue, the SAE, the regular is in the red, on the red rail. And this is the number, a 1242724. And these are the sizes that are included with the SAE and the metric. Here they demonstrate how this works to grab the head of the Allen head screw bolt. And when I saw the display, I had to give it a try. They actually had, which I have video and I'll show at the end of this. So it really amazed me how well it did work. Now here's the 3/8 hex bit socket, and the gold part is the part that rotates up here. Now I checked them all. The brand new ones are very tight. They don't really want to rotate. Now I'm going to assume that's because they haven't been turned yet and into the head of a bolt that would slip, causing this gold part to rotate, and when it rotates it would cam with the black part and then grab the head of the hex bit socket bolt head and then force it to come off. So I'm going to try something here. I've got the hex bit socket, the 3/8 on a ratchet, and I've got a crescent wrench that's just on the gold part, and I'm going to hold the gold part as if it was in the head of and stuck, and I'm going to turn it, and you can see now it's very snug there, which is a good thing. So you see how that rotated. So again, that would only work in the proper circumstance. So that's why I wanted to hold that. So you could see how that would rotate, causing it to jam with the side of the head of the hex bolt, and that would allow it to grab it and come out. You see clearly right there. See there? Very interesting. And it's very snug. It's very tight, which is a good thing too. So every now and then you run into that, and it's nice to have a tool that'll take care of that. And when the silver strip lines up, that's when everything is lined up around the perimeter of that hex shape. Once you go off of that, you're off because of the cam action up here. You can see the offset, how that's offset. So once it rotates, you need to bring it back to where the silver strips line up. Now, one other thing about these, I'm noticing already that the writing, I thought it was engraved, but it's not engraved. It's just painted on there. And let's take a look at the L here, what's left of it. It literally just comes right off. You can see that. Look at that. I'm literally wiping off the name. So, without, that's a good thing. I got this video. If I ever want to prove that these were Kobalts, I'll just show them the video here on YouTube, because you can see that it literally, which is surprising. I would have thought they would have been engraved. Everything that I've got from them sockets are engraved. So, that's the only downside here. The name's coming off. And then the number, you can see, and that was just from me handling this. That's not very good. So, I'll have this video, if I ever have to warranty this. This will be proof that, yes, it was a Kobalt. Alright guys, so what's going to follow is the video that I took at the store showing the actual unit that they had set up for the demonstration. So check this out. This is a standard hex 10mm into a regular good head. That's perfect, no issues. We go over here to the bad head, and it'll rotate around in there. But it doesn't here in the good socket head. Now here's the Kobalt 10mm Xtractor in the regular head, and it does fit tight. Now let's put that, in fact that is tight, let's put that into the rounded damaged fastener head. And it grips it tight too. Pretty amazing. Here's the regular head.